by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from Buco Montague Gardens in Cape Town.
Well, the store's 43 years old. It's been around here for 43 years. It's a landmark store. It's on the corner of everything, so everybody sees it. So I'm proud. I've been with the store for 20 years, and hopefully I'm going to be here for a lot more years to come. I think what makes me proud, I started here in 2003, and I started at the bottom, and I've worked my way to the top. And I've got a great team of people. My management team's great. The staff that I work with are great. So I think that pulls it all together and makes it an awesome store. I think our friendliness, and that's an important thing. You know, we got that relationship. We want that relationship. So I think that's why people come back to us, because we're friendly and we want to build that customer relationship with them. We appeal to all customers. You know, we ask the ladies, we ask the gents, the contractors, the messy guys, all the guys to come and buy here because we supply everything. The Plascon brand's just been refreshed. You know, over the years they refresh, and every season they come out with something new. So I think it's nice and appealing. My preference is WallSeal. It's a good brand, it's affordable, and it's long lasting. You know, it's an 8-year product, and it gives you longevity. It's an acrylic based paint, and I think it's awesome. My DIY tip is do things right the first time. Get the advice, go to our salespeople, they're there for those reasons. Rather find out what you need before you go make a mistake and you've got to redo it. Then it costs you double.
Handy heroes, powered by Plascon. Together, we've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.